Well, hello there guys, my name is Mr. Great and today I will be unboxing Redmi Note 4 which is out since the last month, and let's unbox it. So guys, this phone has really awesome specs and many of the viewers are requesting me to review it and unbox it. So I have ordered it and now today I will be unboxing it, and few weeks later I will upload a review about Redmi Note 4. So stay tuned. So on the both the side of the box Redmi Note 4 is written, and on the upper and the lower side MI is written. This is Redmi Note 4, and at the behind of the box there is some specification mentioned like Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor and 30 megapixel of rear camera. I will mention all of them in the review I am making about it. So guys, I have found made in India written behind the box. I think they are assembled in India and made in China only. So the packing is minimalistic and you can find a 4 impression in the front of the box. So let's take out the beast redefined out of the box. Wait, there is a barcode here. As you guys can see, I don't know what about this barcode. So here is the instruction manual of Redmi Note 4. You can find about anything you want to know about this phone. There is a hybrid slot in this phone, and let's keep it aside. The second thing you will find in the box is I think it is a warranty card. It's written in Chinese, and I think it is the numbers of the stores of MI and service centers, etc. So let's keep it aside, and now there is the phone. So actually when I purchased it from the shop, I told the keeper to put a tempered glass on it, and it just shows his quality as the phone has a curved screen. That's why local tempered glass is not sticking to the edges. So I highly recommend to buy a tempered glass from MI site only, because local tempered glass is ruining the class of this beast, this amazing phone. Really, it's just not looking fine, it's not looking well. So let's come to the phone, and I just removed the sticker of this phone. Let me remove it. Yes. So as you guys can see, the phone really has a great metal finish, and the unibody metal design is really looking very great. The fingerprint sensor is at the back. There is a great camera. The flash is dual tone and you can actually see two flashes there, and the camera is of 13 megapixel. And here's the phone. At the front side there is a 5.5-inch display, and with a 5 megapixel camera, and at the bottom there are two speakers with charging port. At the top there are 3.5 mm jack with IR blasters, and at this side there is SIM card ejector tray. So let us wonder what's inside the box. There is a charging adapter, travel adapter, which is as company claims has a fast charging. You can see its output. It gives a 2 ampere of output, I think, which is sufficient, but the fast charging phones have the 5 ampere output also in the market are there. Beside the charging adapter you can find a SIM card ejector pin, which helps you to eject the SIM card tray. The SIM card slot is hybrid slot, so you can use a SIM, or if you don't want a dual SIM phone, you can use a single SIM with an SD card also. So basically the SD card and SIM card both works in the hybrid slot. So now let us come to the third thing in the box. You can find a charging cable or a USB cable. The cable is not type C, it is a normal cable. And let me take out of this poly bag, and let me remove this rubber band out of it. Okay, so this is the cable. As you can see, there is no brand logo or MI branding on the USB cable. It is just like a Chinese local cable, and it is not of that quality which Apple or Samsung give with this cable. It is of normal quality, and I think it's not durable also. So guys, only these things you will find inside the box. The box is empty now. So guys, I will cover all the specification and features on camera quality and the Antutu benchmark of this phone in the next video of mine, in which I will review the every aspect of this phone at the hardest of its level. So don't forget to hit a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. This is Mr. Great signing off.